Hi everyone, it's Ginny, and for this video I've come on to show you what I received from my swap partner in the Gypsy and Witch Facebook group. I just put up a video of me making postcards for that swap, and this is what I received from my swap partner whose name is Jodie, and she lives here in Australia as well. So she made this gorgeous butterfly postcard, and it's got the colours that Callie loved in the background, and a beautiful blue ribbon and a lovely butterfly charm. I hope you can see okay. My lighting's not very good. And that's a sticker by the feel of it. Beautiful. And she's just written a nice little thing on the back for me, saying that it's to remember Callie. And she also sent me something else which was so very kind of her. She made this beautiful little denim bag, I guess you could say, and she did this because Callie made a lot of these out of denim jeans material. I think Callie actually did it with pockets, and she made bags. This is beautiful. It's got a sparkly dream there on a cord. Actually looks like a bracelet. There's a little charm. It says made with love, and a butterfly for the closure. And she's used beautiful material and sparkly metallic thread to hold it together. And inside she's I'll just show you the inside if you can, maybe not, you can't see. Beautiful. And inside she's given me a lovely little bag of things that she's also made. And one of them is this gorgeous bead charm that she's made. And then there's some fabric that she's painted. It's really nice, so pretty. Just nice fabric strips with paint on them, which I've done. I did some of those following Josie Gito on YouTube. Fantastic. It's so nice to get someone else's that they've done. Really beautiful. She used gold metallic paint, blue metallic paint. There's greens and purples there as well, and metallic. And this piece of ribbon by the looks of it, and she's painted on that as well. There's there's a little hearts on there. I was trying to figure out what that was. And there's just a little piece that's been painted on there. And this little piece with lots of little scraps all stitched on together. I think I've seen a few ladies call these a snippet. I wonder if that's what it is. I'd never heard of snippets before, and then all of a sudden all these crafty ladies are talking about snippets, and so I've learnt something new. So that's that one. And this last little piece here that's stitched onto cardboard. It's got bits of different fabrics and some of her painted fabrics as well. Sorry if the excuse me, light's not good enough. So that's it. That's the swap, which was just so lovely of her. I wasn't expecting that. I only sent the postcards, but I might send her off something as a surprise, I think, just to say thanks for all this. So I also want to show you that when I made the postcards to send to Jodie, I also made a couple for myself. So they're the same, or very, very similar to what I sent Jodie, but I just wanted some to keep for myself. This one I made a mistake. I put too much glue when I put the glitter on, and so it dried in these big lumpy bits. But it is what it is. I put a moon on there as well. So I think the one I sent Jodie is much better. And I haven't put the words on yet, so I just realised that I didn't finish that properly. She's got a sparkle stuck on her eye. Yeah. So anyway, it's nice to have, you know, a bit of a copy of what I sent to Jodie and something to remind me of dear Callie. So that's it for this video, just a quick show and tell. And hopefully I'll be back again soon. I want to try and get back into making videos regularly because I've been not doing them very often, so I'm going to try. So anyway, thanks for watching and see you again soon. Bye.